Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit a post on Instagram. First of all, and of course, you'll need an Instagram application on your phone. Just go and download it through Play Store if you don't have it on your phone, if you have an Android. Or if you do have an iPhone, just go download it through App Store. So then, all you need to do, just go and click at sign in if you don't have an account on Instagram to create an account. But if you do have an account, all you need to do, just go log in and let's get straight to it. So as we said, we want to edit a post on Instagram. Of course, if you want to edit a post, first of all, you'll need to have a post on your Instagram, right? All you need to do, if you want to do that, just go and click at your icon at the bottom right corner. Then all you need to do, just go and click on the plus icon at the top right corner. Then all you need to do, just create a post here. Then maybe choose a picture from your gallery, maybe take a picture right now. Well, anyway, do whatever you want. So just for me, I already have a post, that's why I'm going to click X. If you want to post that post, just click on the flash here at the top right corner, then click at it again. Then all you need to do, just click on the check mark. So for me, I don't want to do that because I already have a post here. So I'll just go and click at my post. And so how can I edit my post here? It's simply by go and click at the three dots at the top right corner of the post. If you click on that, you have an option here called edit. Just click on that, and here you will be able to edit whatever you want on your post. You can maybe add a location, or maybe you can add some text or tag some people, or maybe add a caption or remove your caption. You can do whatever you want with your post. So let me just here write a text. Let's just hello and click here. Wait. Then go to person tags. You can maybe add another person to tag. Then maybe if you want to add a location, just click add a location and add whatever location you want. And maybe even change your caption that you already write, or write a new caption. Let's write hello here as well. As you can see, then all you need to do, just click on the check mark and you will be done. Your post will be edited as you want. If you go and refresh your page, then go back to your post, everything that you change, it will be changed. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.